I found this football wreath form at the Dollar Tree. I am going to use the grass again today. And remember, you can get this at the Dollar Tree in the spring and the summer. Or I did find it at Hobby Lobby. At Hobby Lobby, it's about $3. So it is nicer if you can get it at the Dollar Tree. But if you want to do these things now, you can find the grass skirts at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to take it and zip tie it at the top of my wreath form. I'm not going to be cutting my grass. I'm going to put a zip tie in the left and the right corner, and then in the center. Then I'm going to take my clippers and clip off the excess zip ties. I'm just going to gently tie this grass at the bottom so it doesn't get in my way. Just a light tie. And this is a tea towel that I picked up at our local Dollar Tree or just $1, one of those. And I made a cuff and then wrapped it around the back of the wreath form. And then I'm going to hot glue it on either side in place. I get these little clips also at the Dollar Tree. They're handy for harder to glue places, because the tip with hot glue is that you really have to have the glue cooled down in order for it to adhere. Now I'm going to fold over the top of the tea towel and glue it down. And I'm just going to put a little glue on the frame so that we know that the fabric is secure. I'm going to take a piece of grass. I'm going to put it in the top of the hat. And this is just going to give me a little firmness, and also to have it peeking out the top kind of looks cute. I'm going to take a piece of jute and tie it at the top of the hat. And then I'm going to zip tie the base of that grass that I stuck in the hat, just so that we have security and it's not going to move around. And now I'm just tying up any loose ends with the hot glue. I'm going to remove this tie from the base. And I'm going to take this little wood bead that has a hole through it. I'm going to stick a little bit of grass through the hole and give it a little hot glue. And then I'm going to hot glue it to the base of the hat. Now I'm going to decorate the hat. This is a napkin ring. Guys, when you go to Hobby Lobby and you go into the clearance, sometimes you'll see sets of napkin rings that didn't sell, or maybe just one random one sitting there, and you can get them for like 50 cents. So I just cut the back off of this burlap napkin ring, and this is a garland, a leaf garland from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just clipping off the leaves that I want to use, and I'll just piece these out until, with different crafts. So I'm just going to make a cluster of leaves with the hot glue on the side of his hat, and then I'm going to place this burlap sunflower in with this cluster. And just to pull everything together, I found this raffia that you can pick up at Hobby Lobby. It comes in 3 colors, brown, mustard, and this bright orange. I'm going to use the orange. I'm just going to take a small piece of it. And I'm going to create a straight bow at the top of the hat. And I'm just going to use that leftover jute from tying the hat to tie that in. And then just trim off the edges. And there you go. Now you have this cute little wreath gnome for the fall. But one last thing is I felt his beard was a little too long. So I'm going to trim that up. There you go. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.